Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. So today I'm going to show you how do I make all-time favorite soya egg wrap. Okay, so this soya egg wrap is literally famous in my PG. My roommates keep asking me how I make it, so I finally decided to share the recipe with them and with you guys. Enjoy. നല്ല കട്ടിംഗ് ബോർഡ് For this recipe, we are going to take chopped soya, leftover chapati, salt, chicken masala, chili powder, cheese spread, butter, and then we are going to take onion, coriander, and egg. I'm trying to make this recipe as healthy as possible, so I've taken butter. You can take anything of your choice. This is a hero ingredient of the recipe, so do not skip. After adding all the ingredient as shown in the video, at this point of time we can add a bit of jaggery for that little sweeter taste, and in the end add a little bit of coriander leaf. I am adding tomato ketchup. You can totally skip this. At this point our wrap is ready, but this step is totally optional for the extra crisp and taste. This is how I usually make. Now it's time to taste test. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Bye bye.